food? Well, oh, they don't have any food. Let's go away.
It's just like, oh yeah. You have the city of Toronto, and then you have the city of Helsinki. Kind of night and whack.
Yeah, and we're not far from the center. It's like
Whack.
15-minute walk, 20 minutes.
Whack,
On
whack,
the
whack,
metro.
whack, whack. Whack, whack. You make fun of us, homie? Take you out.
No, I'm trying to make friends.
This one's swimming real fast towards us.
Also,
He's like, what you got?
Is that a dock?
I think it
there?
used to be a dock.
But is it just floating there? Is there a
Yeah, it's
way
like
to
one of
the
those
shore?
ones that you can swim up to and just jump off of, I think. Or at least that's what it was.
Like, because I don't see it continuing to the shore.
Yeah, no. I've seen those before.
I have not.
You have such pretty feathers. You're so cute. What the heck is that? Wash your rugs? That's what this is? Oh my goodness. Whoa. That's so weird. And then it's like you leave it there to dry?
Now you squeeze it dry, then you take it over here to dry.
Oh, there's hanging racks. I didn't even see that. What the heck? What is this culture? I've been here almost a year and I'm still learning things. And I don't just mean learning things, I mean learning how crazy these people are. So weird. Wow. It's like this beautiful sun shower. It looks like clear skies, wonderful day, but then the rain is falling. It's really nice. So majestic. It's refreshing, cool water.